Hello guys. Whoa, what is it? This is magic box, right? Yes, guys. This is a magic box with so many balls, right? Whoa, what do you think? What is it inside? Inside so many gifts, right? I think I wanna try find something inside. I think I wanna many gifts. I wanna try, but I need go inside, right? You are ready? I go. Oh, I go down. Oh my God. Oh, I go to the left side. Go to the back side. Whoa, here I have something. Yes, right. Guys, look at this. Whoa, so beautiful. This is a truck. Yes, this is a excavator. Yeah. Oh, excavator. Wow. Whoa, look at these. Wow, guys, beautiful. Oh, open the door. Wow. Look at this inside. Oh, close the door. Whoa, cabin is red. Right. Oh, backside this crab. Oh, yeah, right. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, he's torn, right? Oh, look at this. How work this crane? He go down, go up, and drop it. Whoa, it was amazing, right? Oh, so beautiful truck. Yes, try and find something more. I go down, find. Oh, research. Woo. Whoa. It's a dump truck. Right, look at this. Whoa, cabin, so big cabin, right? Look at this cabin, so big. Oh. Look at this inside, so beautiful. Silver inside. Whoa, orange from the front. The bin is so beautiful. Orange. Look at this backside. Whoa, dump truck, so beautiful. Backside dump truck is a silver, right? Whoa, look at this, how work this dump truck. Open here. Whoa, and go down. Wow! Applause, guys. Wow, so beautiful car. Oh, go to the next. I wanna find more so fast. Wow, look at this, boss. How many balls? So many balls. Whoa, what is it? This is a crane. This is a crane machine. Oh, this is a beautiful truck. Look at this. Whoa. So nice. Open the door. Oh, look at this. What he doing? Oh, so nice. What is this inside? Oh, so beautiful. Oh, yellow cabin. Wow. Ooh, backside crane is green. Right. Whoa. Let's try how work this truck. Whoa. We have something. Need go down. Take this. Go up. Turn and drop it. Wow. So nice. Wow, so nice, grand, guys, so beautiful. Wow, I wanna find more. You can tell me what side me for find. Oh, I cannot find, guys. Oh my God. What? This is a beautiful truck. Whoa. This is a green cabin. Whoa, what is this inside? Inside silver too. Whoa, look at this backside. Backside is a white and green, right? Oh, look at that cabin is green. Beautiful. Wow. Let's try open the door. Oh, door is open, right? Oh, let's try find something inside. Inside is a mails. So many mails. Why? Because it's a postal car, right? Let's try drop mails. Ooh. Mails is dropped. Close the doors. Wow, so beautiful, so wonderful. Wow, truck, postal truck. Oh, so. I think we have more inside trucks. Maybe we have car, but I never find car inside. This is magic box. Maybe in the next time I wanna try something car, but oh, look at these guys. This is a mixer machine. Oh no, this is concrete mixer. Right, whoa, so beautiful. Look at this mixer machine. Whoa, mixer machine. Backside is turn. No turn. This is a spin. Right, whoa, beautiful spin. Oh, backside is blue and white. Oh, front side, look at this. This cabin is blue. Wow, wonderful. Where? Oh, so beautiful. Oh, I wanna find something more so fast because we don't have a time. Oh, guys. Oops. We don't have more trucks. We have only balls. Look at this. Oh, guys. So, subscribe to my channel. Click button for make a like. And next video we find more trucks, right? Subscribe and bye.